Hello everyone. Now we'll talk about the union of two sets. Okay. So consider set A and set B. Then union of two sets, union of two sets is defined, or we can say as denoted as A union B, and define collection of all elements from both sets. Collection of all elements from the both sets. Means if I have to define the A union B, I will add on the A union B will the collection of X. Okay, such that X should be belongs to A, or X should be belongs to what? B, set B. Now after that, we will talk about the intersection. So consider set A and set B. Okay, then intersection of two sets A and B is denoted as A intersection B. Okay, and define as collection of all the elements present in both the sets A and B. If I have to express the statement in the mathematical form, then I will write on the A intersection B will be equal to collection of X, such that X belongs to set A and X belongs to set B. Okay, so this is the basically called as the A intersection B. Now after that, we will talk about difference in sets. Difference in sets A and B. It is denoted as A minus B and define as collection of only A elements. This word is very important. Collection of only A element which is not in set B. The collection of only set A element, you can write on set here, set A elements which is not in set B. Means if I have to express the A minus B, then I will write on it is the basically collection of what? The collection of X, that X should be belongs to A. But at the same time, and X does not belongs to set B. It does not belongs to what? Does not belongs to set B. Means we will collect only the element of set A. But जो element B में भी है set A का, उसको हम नहीं लिखेंगे. Now if I have to define what will be the B minus A, then the similar manner I can say that B minus A will be the what? X such that X belongs to B. Matlab here the collection will be the what? The only B, the only set B. We can say the collection of all the element which belongs to the set B, but will not take the element from the A. Okay, element from the A. So first we'll look at the ये जो सारे हमने कंसेप्ट देखे इनके हम कुछ एग्जांपल्स देख लेते हैं. कंसिडर द सेट A इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 0, okay, and set B equal to 5 4 3 0 2. Okay, now if I have to define what will be the A union B, A union B is basically what? It is a collection of all the element. It is a collection of all the element. For the collection, you have to take the curly bracket. So it is a collection of all the element, which is collection of all the elements.
Set A and B.
Okay, which is present in set A and B. The set A के सारे element लिख लो पहले तो लिख ही लो सब A 1 2 3 4 and 0. These are the what? The set A. B में लिखते टाइम आप देखो कोई चीज रिपीट तो नहीं हो रहा है. 5 नहीं लिखे हैं तो 5 लिख सकते हैं. 4 ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं, 3 ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं, 0 ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं, 2 भी ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं. तो आंसर विल बी द व्हाट? What is the answer? The 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is called means we know that in a set repetitions are not allowed. You cannot repeat the element in the set. So for that आप A के भी सारे एलिमेंट लिखो, B के भी सारे एलिमेंट लिखो और उसमें रिपीटेशन मत करो. That is called the A union B. Now after that, if you talk about what about the A intersection B, so it is basically a collection of, okay, it is a collection of all the common element which is present in A and B. तो दोनों में आप चेक करो कौन में प्रेजेंट कॉमन एलिमेंट है. तो 1 है, यहाँ पे नहीं, 2 3 4 and 0. So the answer will be 2 3 4 and 0. This will be the intersection B. Suppose if you have to define the A in minus B, तब क्या करोगे? A minus B is a collection of all the element of A, which is not in B. तो बताओ 1 B में है, नहीं है तो 1 होगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद 2 है, नहीं लेंगे, 3 है, नहीं लेंगे, 4 and 0, मतलब only 1 is the answer. तो if you have to write on A minus B, तो सिर्फ आपको A को देखना है और A के सारे एलिमेंट वो कलेक्ट करो जो B में नहीं है. That is called as the what? Basically A minus B. Clear? And after that, if you talk about what is the B minus A, the B minus A will be the collection of B which is not in A. The collection of B, 5 हम लिख सकते हैं, yes. और जो A में नहीं है, 4 A में है नहीं लिखेंगे, 3 A में है नहीं लिखेंगे. एक्चुअली माइनस हो गया ना. हम कलेक्शन किसको कर रहे हैं? B को कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन A वाला माइनस करना है. तो 4 से तो 4 चले गया, 3 से 3 चले गया, 0 से 0 चले गया, 2 से 2 चले गया. तो only 5 will be the answer here. Clear? What is the meaning of union, intersection, A minus B? Everything is clear? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after this, we will talk about the next part as complementary or complement of set. Complement of sets. It is basically defined like this. A dash. Complement of a set is defined like this. Okay. If you look at, okay. Just a second. If you look at this concept, we will have to talk about this. The complement of set. Okay, look at this. So complement of a set. A dash. How can we define? Complement means basically removing of that set from a given set. You can say that it is basic. If you talk about complement, A dash means what? The A dash is basically we are removing a set A from a union set, or from not union. You can say from the universal set. Okay. So what is the A dash? Basically, A dash complement means क्या करना था? उस part को remove करना. So you can say that it is a collection. It is collection of all the elements of universal set, but that does not belong to, that does not belongs to what? Set A. That is defined as A dash. ए डैश का मतलब क्या होता है, एक तरह से माइनस ही है वन। ए डैश का मतलब क्या है कि आपके पास जो एक यूनिवर्सल सेट दिया उसमें से आप उस कौन से पार्ट को बाहर निकाल रहे हो, ए पार्ट को बाहर निकाल रहे हो, तो जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ सेट। मींस इफ यू हैव टू डिफाइन द ए डैश, इट इज बेसिकली कलेक्शन ऑफ द व्हाट, all the universal set, all the elements of the universal set, the u, but except that element which belongs to it, a nahi chahiye, so a dash is defined like this, a u minus a. Suppose if I have to define b dash, तो b dash कितना हो जाएगा, तो u minus b हो जाएगा. Suppose if I have to define a union b dash, a union b dash, इसको डिफाइन करना होगा, मींस यूनिवर्सल में हम क्या करेंगे, a union b को क्या करेंगे, माइनस कर लेंगे. If I have to define x dash, that will be the what, u minus यूनिवर्सल सेट में से क्या करेंगे, तो x को माइनस कर लेंगे. Means in mathematical way, if I have to define the what will be the a dash, the a dash will be the what is the collection of x such that the x belongs to universal set, but x does not belongs to what, x does not belongs to set A. That is defined as the universal, the complement of the set. Clear with us? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now on the basis of this, हम लोग पहले कुछ क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं ए यूनियन बी से रिलेटेड एंड ऑल, तब हमें एक आइडिया भी आ जाएगा कि किस तरह से हम करेंगे. तो फाइंड द यूनियन, ये सब आप लोग इजीली कर लोगे. तो फिर हम जो क्वेश्चन बता रहे हैं, प्लीज ट्राई टू सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन एंड टेल मी द आंसर. ट्राई टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ओके, 2 3 4 5 2 3. Okay, try to solve this question, guys. What is the first question? Find the union of each of the following pairs. So if you solve this set A, the x is that x is a natural number. Okay, कहाँ से कहाँ तक, 1 से 6 तक है, but 1 पे close नहीं है, so we will not take 1. 1 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. तो 1 से बड़ा natural number क्या है, 2, फिर क्या है 3, then 4, then 5 और till 6. 6 include करना है because equal to is here. Now if you write on the set B, तो set B क्या होगा, a natural number which is greater than 6. तो greater than 6 का natural number क्या है,
7 8 9
8 and less than 9, so less than 10, तो कितना होगा, 7 8 9. Now if you find out for the question number 4, what will the A union be? So A union B will be the collection of all the element of set A and set B, and सारा element लिख लो. तो 2 3 4 5 6, ये set A के हो गए. set B के कितने होंगे, 7 8 and 9. So this is called as what, the A union B. Clear with this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that, if you look at the A union B for this, okay, set A is given as a 1 2 3, set B is a 5. So what is the A union B?
1 2 3 5.
No, 1 2 3 only. How can you write on the 5 inside the set? It is a hidden. Okay, it is a hidden. 1 to 5, 5 means what, null set. 5, if I write on B equal to like this, na, B is this, so what, I will take the element from here. Got my point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Got my point? So A union B is what, 1 2 3 1. Now after that, next point, next question was 2. So what is the answer as to here? It is not, we will not include the 5. Basically 5 means what, this na, so there is no element inside that. So if I will find here what is the A union B, that will be only the collection of all the elements in set A, that is 1 2 3, and all the elements in set B. Is there any element in set B? Is there an element in set B? No, there is no element in set B. So I will not write on here 5. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Okay. Now after that, question number 2. What is the question? Let A is this, B is this. Then is A is, what is the meaning of this symbol?
Subset.
subset
Subset or proper subset?
subset sir
Subset.
proper subset नीचे वो लाइन
Proper subset में line होता है?
आपने बताया सर वो चेंज किया
Sir.
No, मैंने जब चेंज किया तो मैंने क्लियरली मेंशन किया था. ओके, आप लोग उस पर ध्यान नहीं दिए. ओके, सबसेट का मतलब ऐसा होता है. It is a very like the confusing thing, पहले तो ये थोड़ा ध्यान रखो, but आप most of the time this is, अच्छा मैं आपको इस चीज का मैं मतलब करेक्ट करता हूँ. Okay, suppose you have set a equal to 1 2 3, ठीक है? Yeah. Now if I write on here 1 2 3, okay, dash a, okay, or if I write on two things here 1 2 3 dash a, दो क्वेश्चन सेम लिख रहा हूँ. What I will fill here? Which are you have to pick which one is correct. The which one from here is correct. This is correct or this is correct.
Sir, second one.
Second one is correct.
First one.
This means equal to. Can we say that this equal to this? Yes. Can we say that this is the right? This is wrong. This is wrong. What about here? What about here? This is right. Okay, one more question from this only. Very like बहुत confusion होता है. मैं आज तुम लोगों को clear कर देता हूँ. 1 2, okay, dash 2 a, okay, 1 2 dash 2 a. Now tell me which one is correct. This one or this one? Which one is correct?
Both are correct.
Both are correct. Who is replying? Can you tell me your name?
Sir, Riya.
Riya. Okay, Riya got the exact concept of the subset. Okay, here both correct. This is the what? This is a proper subset of A, and this is a subset of A also. Yes. 1 comma 2 is a proper subset. So this is the proper subset, and 1 comma 2 is what? It is a subset. This is a subset. But here, if you talk about 1 comma 2 comma 3, it is a subset of A. That's right. It is subset of that's right. But 1 comma 2 comma 3 is what? It is a proper subset of that is wrong. Means this is a symbol for subset. Okay, and this is a symbol for proper subset. Everyone clear with this? सर बट एनसीईआरटी में तो ये लिखा गया है सबसेट के लिए, तो बच्चा वो एनसीईआरटी में सबसेट को जो ऐसे डिफाइन किया गया है ना, वो प्रॉपर सबसेट की बात कर रहा है, क्योंकि जब प्रॉपर सबसेट की बात करोगे ना, सबसेट और सबसेट सॉरी दोनों का सिंबल आप कुछ भी यूज करो, दोनों का मतलब सेम ही होता है. रिया गॉट इट? एनसीईआरटी में जो लिखा गया है, क्या लिखा गया है? यस, हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल? Hello, am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the Smith concept is clear here. What is the meaning of subset, set and all?
Yes, sir.
ये जो किस तरह का सिंबल हम यूज करेंगे? रस्तोगी?
Yes, sir.
Clear with this, the symbol?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Gauri?
Yes, sir.
Gauri?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what will be the answer for this question? The let A is this, B is this. Is A is a proper subset of B? Is A is a proper subset of B? True?
Yes, sir.
True.
True.
True. Yes. What is A union B? If A is a proper subset of B, obviously A union B will be equal to what? The B. दोनों का यूनियन निकाल के देखो, B ही मिलेगा ना. If you find out the A union B from here, so A union B will be what? A है और B, दोनों का यूनियन निकालोगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में, then you will get A union B equal to what? The A B C. A का एलिमेंट और B का एलिमेंट, तो B में सिर्फ ये C लेंगे हम लोग, and can we say this is equal to set B? So if you A is a subset of B, that implies कि A union B will be equal to what? B, and A intersection B will be equal to what? तो छोटा, यूनियन में बड़ा सेट, इंटरसेक्शन में छोटा सेट. और यदि यहाँ पे A इंटरसेक्शन B निकालेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमको? A और B मिलेगा ना, and that is set A. Clear with this? Okay, now next question. If A and B are the two sets such that A is a subset of B, then what is A union B? Guys, tell me the answer for this.
B.
B, exactly. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बी बड़ा सेट है, ए का हर एक एलिमेंट बी में है, तो ए यूनियन बी निकालेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ ए बिलोंग्स टू बी एंड बी इज अ बिगर सेट, बी इज अ बिगर सेट, देन ए यूनियन बी विल बी इक्वल टू बी. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, फिर कोई इशू नहीं. Okay, now try to solve question number 7. Try to attempt question number 7, guys. Everyone try to do this. Everyone look at here. If set A is the what? X is X is a natural number. तो पहले आप set A के बारे में लिख लो. Natural number क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay, set B is the even natural number. Set B is the even natural number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Set C is what? An odd natural number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Okay, D is a prime number. D is a prime number. What prime number for the 2, 3, 5, 7. After that, 11,
13.
13, 17, and so on. We have to calculate A union B. First is what? The intersection B. Intersection B. If you look at here, can we say that B is a subset of A? Yes. Either you can follow that or you can find it from here. दोनों में से कुछ भी कर लो. So A intersection B, दोनों में आप intersection निकालोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? Common बताओ ना क्या है दोनों में? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
10.
Can we say
So
that
on.
here कि A intersection B will be the what? The B. ये ऐसा तो 2, 4, 6, 8 तो B वाला सेट है ना, तो B लिख दूंगा. Second thing, the A intersection C. If you
1, 3, 5.
if you take the intersection here, can we say that here the A is a what? Sorry, C is the subset of A. जैसे यहाँ पे B is the subset था, तो छोटा वाला क्या कौन हो गया? A हो गया. सॉरी, छोटा वाला क्या हो गया? B हो गया, तो B लिख लिए. यहाँ पे C बड़ा है या A बड़ा है? तो C क्या है? छोटा और A क्या है? बड़ा है. तो C is the basically subset of A. That's why इसका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? C ही आएगा. अब चेक कर लीजिए. तो if you take the intersection of A और C का intersection में common क्या है? 1 है, 3 है. So I will choose 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And इसको बोल सकते हैं कि A intersection C is basically equal to C. Question number 3 क्या है बताइए? A intersection D.
Equal to D.
A intersection D. Can we say that D is a subset of A? तो आप डायरेक्ट बोल सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि D is a what?
Yes.
It is a subset of A. तो इंटरसेक्शन में आंसर क्या होगा? डी होगा. इसका आंसर डी होगा. व्हाट अबाउट हियर? बी एंड सी बताओ. देयर नथिंग कॉमन.
5.
तो बी और सी में क्या हो जाएगा? तो बी और सी में नथिंग
Five.
कॉमन, तो क्या हो जाएगा? नल सेट. कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं लिखना होगा. बी इंटरसेक्शन डी.
Two.
दोनों में क्या है कॉमन? ओनली 2. इसका आंसर ओनली 2 हो जाएगा. सी इंटरसेक्शन डी.
2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, so.
So 2, 5. So you will get here 2, then 5, then 7.
Sir, 3, 5, 3, 5.
अच्छा इंटरसेक्शन है ना? Just a second.
Sir,
Intersection.
3, 5, 7.
Yeah, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Intersection करे. Then after that, 3, 5, 7, 11,
Sir.
13,
11.
30 is a subset of C.
13, 17, and so on. Okay, but this is not any specific set, तो आपको इसी में आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा. Clear with this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll talk about the few concept which is related with set. The first जो हम लोगों को एक छूट गया, that is a disjoint set. joint set. इसका मतलब ही बता रहा है कि क्या होगा इसका आंसर और क्या होगा मीनिंग. This means what? No connection. Yeah, no connection. So there is a no connection between the two sets. That is called disjoint set. Means what? Basically, no common element, no common element, or no common elements in the two given set. Clear with this? So no common element in between two given sets. मतलब ऐसा कोई भी दो सेट जो जिसमें कोई कॉमन एलिमेंट नहीं हो, that is called a disjoint set. So if I talk about an example for this, so consider for the example, consider the set A is ABC and set B is DEF. So is there any common element here? So we can say that कि A intersection B is basically null set. कोई एक element common नहीं है. So that if there is no common element between two sets, so that A and B are called as what? Disjoint set. Clear base? So whenever you will get this word, this disjoint, okay, set, it means that there is no common thing or there is no common element between the two given set. That is called disjoint set. Clear with this? Are you following me, guys? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now after that, cardial number. Cardial number. It is total number of elements present in a given set. It is total number of elements present in given set. That is basically called as cardial number. So suppose if you have set A or if you have set X, let's assume that set X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Then what will be the cardial number? Cardial number, if I talk about cardial number of X, cardial number of X, which is basically written as number of X, will be equal to, आप इसको काउंट कर लीजिए कितना होगा, 5, 3, 8. The cardial number of X is 8. Clear? Suppose if you have A union B equal to like 1, 2, 3, 0, then what will be the cardial number of A union B? The cardial number of A union B will be equal to 4. This is all about the cardial number. Am I clear with this, guys, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will look at this question. Question number 11. क्या कर रहे हैं? If R is a set of real number and Q is a set of rational number. Okay. Q is a set of rational number. Then what is R minus Q? Can anyone?
Irrational numbers.
A rational number. Yes. If R set R is when we talk about the R minus Q is basically what? R minus Q is what? It is a set of all the real number which is not rational. Okay. तो basically real number दो चीज से बनता है, एक तो rational number से बनता है. Okay, real number से बनता है, एक rational number से बनता है. प्लस दूसरा क्या रहता है उसमें, irrational number होता है. Yes, irrational number. Now if you minus, आप उसमें माइनस करो rational number तो बचेगा क्या, irrational number. So the answer for this is what, irrational number. Okay. Now question number 12. If you look at 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint set, सिर्फ true and false बताना. One set is given as 2, 3, 4, 5, another set is given as 3, 6. Are disjoint set? Yes or no? Just tell me true or false.
No.
False.
So this is the false. A, E, I, O, U, A, B, C, D are the disjoint set. A is
False.
common.
False.
A is common. False हो जाएगा. Okay, 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15. Okay,
True.
there is a nothing common in both the sets. That's why it's true. Okay, 2, 6, 10, and 3, 7, 11 are the
True.
what?
True.
Disjoint set. There is nothing common in this set and this set. That is the basically disjoint set. Okay. तो I think ये सारा चीज जो आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया होगा, इसमें कुछ इशू नहीं होगा. Now we'll move to the next part, that is the word problem. और the word problem हम लोग उनके बारे में देखते हैं अभी. तो word problem देखने के बाद अभी please fill in the blank. What is the following is true statement? ठीक है. बिफोर दैट एक चीज मैं आपको अभी कुछ टर्म्स है जिसको मुझे बताना है आपको. क्वेश्चन मैं दे रहा हूँ. For U is universal set is for universal set U, draw the following sets represent the following set with the help of represent the following set in the pictorial, you can say that, or in the Venn diagram form. In the Venn diagram form. First, A dash. Second, A union B dash. Third, A intersection B dash. Fourth, B dash. Okay, and fifth, U dash. Let's try to solve the fourth. Means you have to draw or represent A dash in Venn diagram form. किस तरह से आप A dash को Venn diagram में represent करते हैं, ठीक है? So try to solve this question. We have to what? We have to draw the A dash in the Venn diagram. So what is the basic property of Venn diagram? क्या होता है? हम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो देयर द यूनिवर्सल सेट एंड द सेट ए. ठीक है, तो मैं पहले यूनिवर्सल सेट और सेट ए को डिफाइन कर देता हूं. So this is the universal set, this is the set A. Yeah. Universal set and set A. What is basically A dash? A dash means the U minus A, collection of all that element of the universal set, except those element which is present in set A. That is union. Means we have to collect all the elements जो universal में है, but except this. यदि आप इसको थोड़ा सा solve करने का कोशिश कीजिएगा तो वो डायग्राम कौन सा रीजन आएगा? कौन सा रीजन आएगा गाइस? ये तो फिल करने वाला यहाँ पे मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है, बट ठीक है. कैन वी से दैट दीज आर द रीजंस? ये पूरा रीजन होगा. जस्ट सेकंड, मैं इस क्वेश्चन को जस्ट सेकंड गाइस, I'll solve this question. फर्स्ट हमें क्या ड्रॉ करना है और किसको डिफाइन करना है? We have to represent A dash in the Venn diagram form. Suppose this is the set A, this is that is the universal set. ये आपका universal set है U, and this is the set A. So if you talk about a dash, that is basically u minus a होगा, तो वो कौन सा रीजन होगा? पूरा u बट a को छोड़ के, पूरा u और a को छोड़ करके यदि आप ड्रॉ कीजिएगा, ठीक है, तो वो रीजन कैन वी से दैट ये रीजन होगा, जितना रेड रीजन आपको दिख रहा है। यस नो? हेलो, clear with this? Can we say the complete region is a dash? Means where all that the universal set except that part, मतलब वो बीच वाला जो खाली इस पार्ट को आपने बाहर निकाल दिया, तो that part is just complete the other part except this. ये जो व्हाइट वाला को छोड़ के जो कंप्लीट ये है रेड वाला रीजन, that is called as a dash. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So it is basically
Yes, sir.
collection of all the element of U which is not in the A. A में जितना एलिमेंट होगा उसको नहीं कलेक्ट करेंगे, बाद बाकी सारे बाहर का एलिमेंट कलेक्ट कर लेंगे. That is basically the A dash. What was the second question? Second question क्या था वहां पे? I think A union B dash था. Yes. Hello. Second question A union B dash ही था ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So they are the universal set. If you want to calculate the complement, ना, there should be universal. कभी भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है तो आपको दो सेट मतलब यूनिवर्सल सेट रहना ही रहना चाहिए. तो पहले तो आप यूनिवर्सल सेट बना लो. तो दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल सेट, जो आपका बाहर का आउटलाइन है, ये यूनिवर्सल सेट हो गया. सपोज दिस इज द सेट ए, दिस इज द सेट बी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ए यूनियन बी डैश? इसका मतलब क्या होगा? इट इज द ऑल द एलिमेंट ऑफ यूनिवर्सल सेट एक्सेप्ट
Of A.
ए यूनियन बी. ए यूनियन बी का पूरा ये रीजन है. तो अभी यदि मुझे ड्रॉ करना होगा, ओके, अभी यदि मुझे ड्रॉ करना होगा that the A union B dash, ये पूरा रीजन होगा, ये पूरा रीजन होगा except which, except ये ब्लैक वाला, ये वाला और ये वाला, इन तीनों को छोड़ दो. ओके, इन तीनों को, मतलब एक तरह से आप ये जो ब्लैक वाला रीजन उसको छोड़ दो, तो अदर रीजन, और इनको व्हाइट ही रहने दोगे तो भी चलेगा. मींस दिस कंप्लीट रेड रीजन, ये जो है, ये टोटल जो व्हाइट वाला रीजन, ये क्या है? दिस इज द ए यूनियन. ओके, ये जो कंप्लीट वाला है ये क्या है? ए यूनियन बी है. ठीक है, और व्हाइट वाला के अलावा जो कंप्लीट ये रेड रीजन है, दैट इज बेसिकली व्हाट? ए यूनियन बी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. क्लियर विद दिस? व्हाट इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन? थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या है? ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. बेसिकली क्या होगा? इट इज इक्वल टू यूनिवर्सल माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. ये होगा x complement is universal minus x, so a intersection b complement is universal minus a intersection b. Now if you want to draw a intersection b complement there, कैसे करूंगा मैं? फिर तीन सेट है तो पहले वो तीन सेट को रिप्रेजेंट कर दो, यूनिवर्सल a and b. okay, this is the universal set, this is the set a, this is the set b. okay, now this is the intersection part. yes, this is the intersection part. तो what will be the, पहले तो ये फिल हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. नाउ द कंप्लीट, दिस इज द इंटरसेक्शन, इसको ही तो छोड़ना था. ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, दिस इज द पार्ट ना, ये वाला जो पार्ट है आपका, ये वाला पार्ट, दिस इज द इंटरसेक्शन बी. तो अदर देन द दिस मिडल पार्ट, जितने भी आपको रेड पोर्शन में दिखाई दे रहा है, कंप्लीट दिस रेड पोर्शन. ओके, कंप्लीट दिस रेड पोर्शन, दैट इज बेसिकली व्हाट? ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Now if you talk about for the fourth one, that is B complement, क्या होगा? The universal set minus B. Just that there is the only one set, so this is the universal, this is the B, and this is the B. ये universal है, ये set B है आपका. Okay, and U dash B dash is universal minus B, तो B को बाहर निकाल लो. So the for the answer for this will be the ये पूरा red वाला part. The complete this red one will be the B dash. Are you clear with this? कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाएगा? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll stop here. In the next lecture, we will talk about we can say the word problem and all your queries. जितने भी आपके doubts होंगे सारा हम उस टाइम पे सॉल्व कर लेंगे. ठीक है?